Konsortiumkeittiö Tampereen linnanhaltija.
Today is the 29th of April 2022. We have Tuluskatu Tuesday. Looks like a Sodimas elevator here in Leinola, close to Leinola, one of the suburbs of Tampere, here in Finland. We have also found this in Jyväskylä, a few, but this is the first that we have found in Tampere,
Yeah.
today. Yes, it has 4 floors. Yes, Sodimas.
Oh, yeah.
That's a different brand.
Yeah.
That's French also. And its number is 4264, Hissipol RROI.
Yeah.
And the important, it's going to be inspected this year, 2022, probably built maybe in 1998, but we should check the information later.
Oh, yeah. It says Sodimas for some reason. Yeah.
Sodimas there.
Yeah.
Sodimas.
Yeah.
Weird. But this is generic one, what is it?
Yeah. Inspected by QIs and maintained by code.
4 floors, yeah. Interesting interior.
Yeah.
Let's go check the other staircase here.
Yeah. That's